The Honda 6635110 EU1000i 1000 Watt Portable Inverter Generator is a compact powerhouse designed for both casual and serious users alike. The generator's lightweight and portable design make it an excellent companion for camping trips, tailgating, and even as a backup power source for home use. With a maximum output of 1000 watts and a rated output of 900 watts, this inverter generator is perfect for running small appliances, tools, and electronic devices efficiently and quietly. One of the standout features of the Honda EU1000i is its impressive fuel efficiency. Equipped with a 0.6-gallon fuel tank, it can run for up to 3 hours at a 25% load on a single tank of gasoline, which is particularly advantageous for those long outdoor events or during power outages. This longevity is bolstered by the Eco-Throttle system that automatically adjusts the engine speed to match the load, minimizing fuel consumption and extending runtime while producing less noise. Noise is a critical factor when it comes to portable generators, especially if you're using it in a quiet environment. The Honda EU1000i operates at a whisper-quiet level of 53 decibels at a quarter load, making it one of the quietest generators on the market. This feature makes it ideal for camping trips or residential areas where noise restrictions may be in place. Users often find they can enjoy conversations or watch television without being disrupted by generator noise. Portability is another key element of the Honda EU1000i. Weighing in at just 28.5 pounds, it's lightweight enough for one person to carry comfortably. The generator features a rugged, durable design with a built-in handle that makes it easy to transport. Its compact size allows for easy storage in your vehicle or garage, making it a convenient choice for those who need a reliable power source on the go. The Co-Minder feature is another innovative addition to this generator. This advanced fuel delivery system continuously monitors the CO levels in the vicinity of the generator, ensuring that it shuts down if those levels become too high. This provides an added layer of safety, particularly useful for indoor or confined space applications, even though it is primarily designed for outdoor use. It's a vital feature that ensures peace of mind for users concerned about carbon monoxide exposure. In terms of usability, the Honda EU1000i is straightforward to set up and operate. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring 2 AC outlets along with a 12V DC outlet for battery charging. The circuit breaker and fuel shutoff valve are easily accessible, making it simple to turn on and off or recharge devices. This kind of accessibility is invaluable for those who may not be familiar with generator operation. The build quality of the Honda EU1000i is impressive. Honda has a long-standing reputation for producing reliable and durable products, and the EU1000i is no exception. The generator is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, with a robust frame that protects the engine while minimizing vibrations. The engineering and attention to detail are evident, providing users with confidence in their investment. However, it's essential to consider the limitations of the Honda EU1000i. With a maximum output of 1000 watts, this generator may not be suitable for larger appliances or multiple devices simultaneously. If you're looking to power hydro equipment like air conditioners or heaters, you may need to explore larger models. Additionally, the generator does not come with a parallel capability, meaning you cannot link it with another unit to increase power output. Lastly, the price point of the Honda EU1000i is worth mentioning. As with many Honda products, it tends to be on the higher end of the market for portable generators. However, the reliability, efficiency, and longevity of the unit often justify the investment for users who need a dependable power source. In conclusion, the Honda 6635110 EU1000i 1000 Watt Portable Inverter Generator is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a lightweight, quiet, and efficient power solution.